Hi guys, this is Stephanie from WTI, and today I have with me the North Face Kids Snow Boots.
They are great to keep little toes nice and warm. These boots come in 3 different colors. My daughter is wearing the boysenberry and black. They are so cute. It's a perfect shade of pink for a girly girl. I love that they're waterproof so they can keep their toes warm while playing outside in the snow, even if it's raining. The boots itself, it has a rubber sole which helps keep the water outside and their toes dry. The sole of the boots, it has grip so they don't slide. It also has an adjustable laces, which is easy enough for them to do them themselves. The boots also have a waterproof leather overlays and also a Thermafelt Plus removable liner, which provides warmth in icy temperatures. The boots are great, especially for the winter time and when they're outdoors. I'm sure you're gonna love the boots as much as we do.
And that's my point of view.